set yourself up for success, you're going to want to have already learned a basic aerial and the full twirl. This trick is just a combination of the two, and it'll make your time learning it a whole lot easier. I'll include links to both videos in the description of this one. You can start this trick from the closed position, but I find it easier to start from a double rollout. The most difficult but important piece to learn is to track the safe handle as it makes its rotation around. You'll want to make sure that you lead the handle with your pointer finger as it's coming down. Once you make contact, you can go ahead and pretend that the rest of the trick is just a full twirl.